Hello guys, good morning and welcome to another new catch up, section 9. So it's new year, and actually we have a lot of things going on at the workshop now. The workshop is still the way the last time the way I show it, everything is scattered. We have some things to do, but you know the way stuff are going presently, we are unable to achieve what we planned, but we are still working on it. But right now I'm going to show you what we have been doing so far. There are some work we did, I think few weeks ago or a few months ago. I filmed it, but then I didn't do the intro. I'm just doing the intro now. So right now you are going to watch it before I continue with the activities I'm going to be doing today. I will do a time lapse so you guys will see. We are making a box portfolio for a lady. She's based outside, so the work is sent to me by her sister. We need to work on it, so probably I will be talking more a little bit later on. This is the diagram here. My phone, if it's not here, I would have shown you the illustration on the phone and every other thing. So guys, enough seeing my face. Let me show you the items we are going to use, the material, the fabrics, the interface. Sorry, my face is a little bit rough, but manage it for now. I know some of you don't like seeing my face, and some appreciate seeing my face. So for those that appreciate us, we really thank you. And again, let me say for now, for those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. Give this video a giant thumbs up after you finish watching it if you enjoy it. And for those of you who are interested in the online training, it's pretty much available. You can get in touch with me. My WhatsApp will be in the link in the description, and the link to where you can register for the online training is also there. So when you register, you can buy the package or you can register in queue. So the package is there, you can just buy and we'll send the video to you, everything. But when you register direct with me, you get a feedback of learning, asking questions, following up, and every other thing. So guys, enough talking. Let me turn the camera and show you more of the activity at the workshop. But first, before then, watch the previous video. So see you at the other side. So here's the bag I make for within 3 days. They're actually 9. We have one here, but this one is having a black zip. So I just make this one. We did not get the zip type for this fabric, so but all this one are matching zip, all matching blue, all's good, just the blue that is not good. So finger crossed. I don't know if they are going to return the blue. I still have to make another one blue here. So that's the project for you guys. We've not been so active a little bit, so this is part of another monthly updates. The workshop is still the way it used to be. Everything is still packed. We are working on some things to get the workshop functioning back. You see, everything is just the way it is. But I'm still going to update you guys how it goes later on. So let me package this and send this to the client that owns it. Talk to you guys later. So welcome back guys. I know you guys have watched a little bit. So the bag I said we are making, these are the accessories we are using. We are using this leather, we are using this suit lining, and we are using this thread material. Is actually very soft and nice. That is what we are using. And as you can see, you've never seen us using Mako as thick as this, but later on you will see what we'll be using it for. And we are using these tiny magnets facing each other. There's a reason why we are using this magnets, because we don't have strip magnets here, and this is one of the strongest magnets here to use for this particular project. Things are very expensive now. You see that gum? A few months ago, or let me say like a year ago, I used to buy this 4k for the gallon. Now is now 15,000 naira, as you can see, almost 4 times extra. So this is the diagram of the work we'll be doing, and we have this. Actually, you know, it's not only this I will be showing. I'll just show you brief and behind the scene a little bit of it, and come back to show you the full package after we finish, because I'll be dedicating a video to that particular box, so you guys can later on watch the video of that particular making. But this, I will keep you guys updated with the rest of the activities we'll be doing or we'll be working on at the workshop. So guys, enough talking. I will continue with my work and see you guys later. Welcome to the continuation of the catch-up. This is update from the bag we were making a few days ago. This particular one, as you guys can see, I'm still working on it. We have some delay. I was supposed to have even finished the undo. This is all the interface for the undo. I was supposed to finish it, but we have some delay for the leader we are using. The person have to change the leader. They don't want one with embossed pattern. They want a plain one, so we are going to source for the plain one later on. Hopefully we'll be able to get it. So this is one of the lining inside. This is one of the lining inside, and this is the main body of the case, the way it's going to be, the way I show you from the diagram. So this is it. But you might not understand this now fully, but once I finish, I know you should be able to get the logic behind this and understand everything. So that's the update so far, guys. There's nothing more for now. There's nothing more, but I will keep you guys updated if there's anything coming up soon. So see you guys at the continuation. So guys, this is the update so far. This is what we have done. The leader we were supposed to use before was rejected, but we've gotten another one we'll be using. I just came back from where I collected for this. Actually, we ordered it yesterday from Lagos night way big, and we get it this morning, but it was pretty much expensive. So right now I'm about to start. So later on I will update you guys. Here is another day working on this particular box. So probably it will be when I will show you, it might be that I will just show you like the end products, the final product. So guys, stay tuned and watch this. See you guys later. So guys, talking about the bag, this is it. We are done with it after a few days. As you guys can see, it also have a dust bag for it because it's a project for a student. So hopefully, I don't know if we have access to the picture, we'll get the picture from students. It's a portfolio box, so there will be a binder inside the bag. We're supposed to fix the binder here, but to send is going to be expensive, so the client preferred to fix it once the bag gets to our place. So this is the bag, actually looking very nice. There's magnets on the below parts, the two parts, then there's screw here. I was supposed to use melter, but you know, we have to use what we have in stock. We don't have access to melter that is supposed to work, so instead we use the screw. Since screw is also melter, we're supposed to use flat melter. And here's the bag for you. I hope you guys have learned a little bit. I will make this, actually I make a video, complete video on how we make this as well, but you guys would have watched the time lapse by now for the making of this particular bag. So here is it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoying it. There's also a work I am supposed to start right now. This particular bag, the one you watch at the beginning of the monthly updates, but the one we'll be making is a little bit smaller than this particular one. This is 14 by 11. That one is going to be, I think, 10 by 11.5 or 12. So that's what we'll be making next, but I don't know if I'm going to show it this month's catch up because there's no much time for us to finish and edit this thing before it go up. Or probably let me just end the video here. Next month you'll be watching that. It's going to be black. We already have the material here. We're supposed to use this one, this particular one with the embossed pattern, but we are using just a normal black. Okay, this is the black here. We are using just a matte black, not a gloss black. As you can see, we are using this gray matte black. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you to those who have subscribed to the channel. We really appreciate you. For those of you who have not subscribed, use this time to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think and if you have any further question. For those of you who want to learn, actually we've now subsidized our training. You can apply for it. Talk to me. My WhatsApp will be in the link in the description, and the link to where you can also order for the training online is also, it will also be in the link in the description, so you can check that out. And for further information, chat with me. Our representative will definitely get back to you in just few minutes. So thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.